Hi, my name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is in case you missed it, like I did, the IRS finally did it, and it starts with the 2023 tax year. And I will tell you, I missed it. I only saw this because I was doing research for another IRS update, and I'll have a slide on that in just a moment. But what did the IRS finally do? Well, they finally lowered the electronic filing threshold from 250 to 10. And it starts with the 2023 tax year that you are going to be reporting those vendor payments on various 1099s starting in January of 2024. So if you are not already set up or registered on the electronic filing system for the IRS, the FIRE system, then you need to start doing that now. It's no better time to do it. You will need a transmitter code, a TCC, and that will take, per the IRS, about 45 days once you submit your application. So I will have the link to more information on this in the description, and that should lead you to not only find the information that's up on the screen, the page where I got this from, but then also to get the link to register on the fire system. So now's a great time to do that. Now, what else did the IRS do? That when I was researching it, I found this that I missed, and that is they are requiring those that are already set up on the fire system with a TCC code, but they were registered prior to September 26, 2021. They now have to re-register, keep your same TCC code, or in order for that code to remain active, I should say. And so go ahead and check that vendor master file tip of the week video out, and I will leave a link to that, or actually I may just have it come up after this video, but I'll definitely leave a link to it in the description so you can get to it quickly if I don't have it come up right after this one. All right, so the IRS has been busy. All right, so if you like more information on how to improve your vendor process, please go to my website at deborarrichardson.com for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and just overall bad vendor data. And if you'd like over 149 hours of vendor process training, please visit my training site at training.deborarrichardson.com. And good luck, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.